In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Telegram in Gohighlevel. We're going to walk through the setup process inside Gohighlevel so you can install the Telegram integration quickly and smoothly. This is a straightforward process, and once you know where to click, it only takes a moment. To begin, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're signed into the correct account or workspace where you want to add the integration. Starting in the right place helps avoid confusion later, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're inside the platform, look over to the left-hand side panel. This is where Gohighlevel keeps most of the main navigation options. From that menu, click on App Marketplace. The App Marketplace is where you can browse and install available apps and integrations that work with your Gohighlevel account. After the App Marketplace opens, go to the search bar and type in Telegram. This helps narrow down the available apps so you can find the exact integration you need without scrolling through the full marketplace. When the search results appear, click on Telegram Chatbot. Be sure to select the correct app from the results so you're opening the right integration page. This page will usually give you a quick overview of the app and the permissions or access it may require. Next, click on Install. This starts the connection process and prepares the app to be added to your Gohighlevel account. If you're following along in real time, this is the point where the setup begins. After that, click Continue. This moves you forward through the installation flow. In many cases, Gohighlevel uses this step to confirm that you want to proceed and to guide you through the required authorization screens. Then click Allow and Install. This is the final confirmation step that gives the Telegram chatbot integration permission to connect with your Gohighlevel account. Once you approve it, the installation should complete and the app will be connected. As a quick tip, if the install button or permission screen looks different on your account, it may be due to account permissions or a platform update. In that case, just look for the closest matching option that continues the installation process. And that's it. You've now gone through the process of connecting Telegram in Gohighlevel by accessing the app marketplace, searching for Telegram, selecting Telegram chatbot, and completing the install and authorization steps. If you're setting up automations afterward, make sure the integration shows as successfully installed before moving on.